find the value of x. So we have 6 power x plus 12 power x is equal to 24 power x. Now we divided by 24 power x in both sides. So divided by 24 power x divided by 24 power x divided by 24 power x. Now this 24 power x, this 24 power x. So this will be cancelled. So here on, here on. Now we see x same power but different base. So remember this formula: a power n over b power n is equal to a over b, then bracket common power n. So according to this rule, I can write here 6 over 24, then bracket common power x plus, here we can apply again this rule. So because x same power but different base, so it will be 12 over 24, then bracket common power x is equal to 1 over 1, that means it will be 1. Now 6 divided by 6, that means it will be 1. 24 divided by 6, that means it will be 4. Then 12 divided by 12, that means it will be 1. Then 24 divided by 12, that means it will be 2. Now we have 1 over 4, then bracket power of x plus 1 over 2, then bracket power of x is equal to 1. Now 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 bracket power of 2. 1 square is same as 1 over 2 square is same as 4. Then this first bracket can be written as second bracket, then power of x plus 1 over 2, then bracket power of x is equal to 1. Now here I can apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So according to this rule, I can write here 1 by 2 bracket power x, then second bracket power 2 according to this formula, then plus 1 by 2 bracket power x is equal to 1. Now we see 1 by 2 bracket power x, 1 by 2 bracket power x, both term is same. So let 1 by 2 bracket power x is substituted by y. So our equation will be y square plus y then is equal to 1. Now I can write here y square plus y, then this plus 1 take to the left side, so this will be minus 1, then is equal to 0. Now here I can apply quadratic formula, so I can write here y is equal to minus b plus or minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here a is as 1, then b is as 1. After that c is as negative 1. Now, so y will be equal to minus b, that means 1, then plus or minus square root of b square, that means 1 square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means negative 1. So it will be bracket negative 1, then divided by 2 times a, that means 1. Now I can write here y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square is same as 1, then minus times minus, that means it will be plus 4 times 1 times 1, that means it will be 4, then divided by 2 times 1, that means 2. Now we see here two cases, so you can write here y is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 1 plus 4, that means it will be 5, then divided by 2, or y is equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus square root of 1 plus 4, that means it will be 5, then divided by 2. Now y, that means remember that let 1 by 2 bracket power x is substituted by y. So y, that means 1 by 2 bracket power x. So y, that means 1 by 2 bracket power x is equal to plus square root of 5, that means the square root of 5, then minus 1 divided by 2, or y, that means 1 by 2 bracket power x. So 1 by 2 bracket power x is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we see 1 by 2 bracket power any number. 1 by 2 bracket power any number is always positive, but minus 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2, this is must be negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative, so this is rejected. Now from here we take log in both sides. So you can write here log of 1 by 2 bracket power x is equal to log of square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Now this power x will move to the base, so it will be x log 1 by 2 is equal to log of square root of 5 minus 1 log of square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Now we need the value of x, so divided by log of 1 by 2 in both sides. So divided by log of 1 by 2 divided by log of 1 by 2. So this log of 1 by 2, this log of 1 by 2, So this log of 1 by 2, this log of 1 by 2 will be cancelled. So we have x is equal to this divided by this is same as log of a square root of 5 minus 1 over 2, then base of 1 by 2. This is the value of x, so this is our final answer.
How to solve 4 to the power 21 plus 4 to the power 21 is equal to what? At first we take common 4 to the power 21. First bracket start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. 4 to the power 21 is same as 2 to the power 2 bracket for 21 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 2 times 21, that means 42 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so we can write here 2 to the power 42 plus 1, that means 43. So 2 to the power 43 is the correct answer.